It's been 2 weeks since Governor Ron DeSantis removed the state attorney of Orange and Osceola counties and replaced her with an Orlando judge.
Today, we're hearing from newly appointed state attorney Andrew Bain for the first time since he took office. WESH 2's Marley Martinez sat down with him one-on-one in an interview and asked him what he thinks about how the controversial shakeup played out.
So why you? Why did the governor tell you when he called you? Why did he pick you to replace Monique Worrell?
Well, he knows that from my previous applications, because I was appointed by him in 2020, and so my reputation for being in the community, my reputation for the type of person I was, we thought that it was going to be a good fit.
So you were appointed 2 weeks ago. The very next day, you had your 100-day plan. When did you find out you were going to replace Monique Worrell?
A few weeks prior. It seemed to be, it was a plan that kind of started and then stopped. I got a pre-call, and at that moment I kind of started lamenting a little bit. But then, God told me to go serve, so a few hours to make that decision, so making certain I went to go serve.
Was this done the right way?
Not sure. I mean, what's the right way to do this, I guess, would be the question. It was the way that the governor decided to do it. He's the chief executive officer, so he's the one that decides, how that, if somebody's going to suspend somebody or, terminate somebody. Those kind of things are abided by the law and the Constitution. So
we've talked to folks in Orange County, and some feel like their vote was negated by the way that this happened. Your response to that?
Those are valid feelings. I feel the frustration, I feel the anger, I feel maybe some disappointment in the process, but right now we have a constitution that allows for that type of process. But ultimately, still my goal was to look after the people of the circuit. So to look after the different communities, the more minority and disenfranchised communities. There has to be somebody to step in and look after them.
Do you feel like Monique Worrell was doing that for this community?
I don't know. Miss Morrell, she was doing her best job. This is a hard job. Anytime you step into public service, no different than when I was on the bench, than what I'm doing now. Anybody that steps into a role of public service is going to do their best because they care about the people of this community. So I don't have an opinion about what her job was or what she was doing. I'm more focused on what I can do for the people.